Christmas is finally here, and I've been waiting for you for a while now. Hurry up and complete your surprise. Christmas is finally here.
180 coupons for Elecrow PCB 3D printing, acrylic laser cutting services. Come to Elecrow Christmas sale page and claim your coupons, making your Christmas merrier. Explore our cutting-edge PCB service, offering a spectrum of thicknesses and colors. Choose with ease and bring your projects to life this Christmas. Turn imagination into tangible wonders with 3D printing magic. Unwrap quality solutions that bring your visions to life. From prototypes to custom parts and mass production, elevate your holidays with acrylic cutting magic. From dazzling display boxes to festive signage and cozy home decor, Elecrow crafts precise, beautiful acrylic products just for you. Wrap up your order in holiday cheer. Secure festive delivery and expert tech support from Elecrow. Slay the competition to win merry opportunities for your business this Christmas.